JJI. Unyo kay Andre P. Continue the presentation is the law advisor and program head, Professor Bernie B. Sanwan.
Ligas Franklin D. Dominic A.
Mas malinaw pa dito sa cellphone eh, kaysa dyan, no? Mas blurred ang paningin ko.
San Juan Kim Rego P. San Juan St. Francis L. Janice D. Tanawan Mark Amel M.
Lapit na si Kaye.
Tordesillas Patrick Denmark P. Recipient Distinguished Graduate Award, Magna Cum Laude.
Napimod na rin sila.
Tupas Jessie D. A.
NSP.
Merango Jermaine M. Binarao Daniel G. And Santua General L. Congratulations. To present a graduate of Bachelor of Technology, major in Civil Technology, is their advisor, Engineer Daniel C. Francis.
Kunin niyo yung picture niya doon, no?
I have the honor to present to you the graduates of Bachelor of Technology, major in Civil Technology, Angeluevo Joyce P.
Layo. Ganda.
Bonavente Yeponi L. Claudero Bernie D.